17 iri na asaa 18 iri na asatọ 19 iri na itoolu 20 iri na abụọ. Okay, manageable. So, ugbu a anyị ga-agụpụta ekele n'asụsụ Igbo. Ekele n'asụsụ Igbo, greetings in Igbo language. You know it?
Yes.
Now, otu, abụọ, atọ, bido.
In the morning time you say, ụtụtụ ọma, ụtụtụ ọma, ụtụtụ ọma.
In the morning time you say,
ụtụtụ ọma, ụtụtụ ọma. After time you say, ehihie ọma, ehihie ọma, ehihie ọma. After time you say, ehihie ọma, ehihie ọma. In the evening time you say, mgbede ọma, mgbede ọma, mgbede ọma. In the evening time you say, mgbede ọma, mgbede ọma. At the bedtime you say, Kachifo, Kachifo, Kachifo. At the bedtime you say, Kachifo, Kachifo.
Please, who can sing it very well from the beginning?
I
I want somebody very serious, open your mouth, very loud, very serious, very loud, that can sing it very well without mistake for me. That's what I want. Know that are playing with their beats. You understand? I don't want them at all. See, the ones that are not
playing with their file,
playing with their file,
and they are not even speaking
I
out.
don't want it, and they are not talking, they are talking inside. I don't want it. I want those that can present for me. Those that can present for me. So who can sing it very well? If you know you can sing very well, please come and say, let's up your hand. Yes, I stand up. Oh yeah, you stand up. Stand up. So again, don't you? I want mistake, and I don't want talking from inside. I want you to shout it.
Please, at the bed, don't you know how to sing it?
Okay, I will count 3 for you. That's fine. I will count 3 for you. Recite it. Otu, abụọ. I said I don't want those that are playing with their team. I said I don't want them. I want serious students. Otu, abụọ, atọ, bido.
In the morning time you say,
This is what I
ụtụtụ ọma, ụtụtụ ọma, ụtụtụ ọma. In the morning time you say, ụtụtụ ọma, ụtụtụ ọma. In the afternoon time you say, ehihie ọma, ehihie ọma, ehihie ọma. In the afternoon time you say, ehihie ọma, ehihie ọma. In the evening time you say, mgbede ọma, mgbede ọma, mgbede ọma. In the evening time you say, mgbede ọma, mgbede ọma. At the bedtime you say, Kachifo, Kachifo, Kachifo. At the bedtime you say, Kachifo, Kachifo.
Wow, wow.
Ọrụ nwụnaka.
Orang muna kara. Jadi kandeng orang. Ebe kandeng orang kamu tuta. Andi ngokwa matapioka so tu eme kandeng orang tuta. Kyo kwa. Kamu aja no, na wambo kama ya kwa bana ando ba de. Okay. Iya nyere bu nkeji abụọ ka nwere ike. Mụ ya na nkeji abụọ. 2 minutes. Nkeji abụọ only. Okay. Aha, obi dị m ụtọ ugbu a. Achọrọ m. Kedu ya na-agba ya ọgwụ vitamin C ya? Achọrọ m vitamin C gummy. Gummy. Gum bụ ngwa. Okay, you're making this. Achọrọ m ka mma na ya agụ ihe ndị a na onwe ya. Then, okay, so ana m eche oziọma. Aha. So, ihe ọzọ bụ akụkụ ahụ mmadụ. Now, I want some of you that will come out, gụpụtara m akụkụ ahụ mmadụ. And when you want to start, I want you to start like this. Ndị a bụ akụkụ ahụ mmadụ. You now start. Ndị a bụ, is it hard? Ndị a bụ, everybody say it.
Ndị a bụ.
Ndị a bụ.
Ndị a bụ.
Akụkụ ahụ.
Akụkụ ahụ.
Mmadụ.
Mmadụ.
Ndị a bụ.
Ndị a bụ.
Akụkụ ahụ.
Akụkụ ahụ.
Mmadụ. Ndị a bụ akụkụ ahụ mmadụ.
Ndị a bụ akụkụ ahụ.
Ọzọ. Ndị a bụ
Akụkụ ahụ mmadụ.
ọzọ. Ndị a bụ akụkụ ahụ mmadụ. Now look at me. You say it like this. Ndị a bụ akụkụ ahụ mmadụ. Hair, ntutu. Hair, isi. Eyes, anya. Nose, imi. Mouth, tongue, ire. Teeth, eze. Ear, anyone you can remember. Hand, aka. Anyone you can remember. Hand, aka. Leg, oku.
6 or 7.
I want like, yes, I want at
If
least,
I say
at least 5. You say more than, you can say 5 and above. If it's only 5 that you need.
yeah, do 6.
Um,
At least you know.
Can you do 3?
But remember, you are going to start it with ndị a bụ akụkụ ahụ mmadụ. Who can say it for me?
But can we have a paper for the presentation?
No, you don't need paper. You don't need paper. You're not going to receive. So who can say it? Who are you going to start with?
They will not be recorded.
Okay, let me start from you. I'm
I'm
going to find someone. Okay, Proto.
From one day to
Proto means
you
stand
don't
up.
want to open your mouth to talk.
Yeah.
Proto, stand very well. Ndị a bụ akụkụ ahụ mmadụ. Ndị a bụ akụkụ ahụ mmadụ. Oya, start it again.
Ndị a bụ akụkụ ahụ mmadụ.
Oya, continue. Start mentioning them.
Hey.
Ndị a bụ akụkụ ahụ. Ndị a bụ akụkụ ahụ mmadụ. You start. Oya.
Head is. Ndị a bụ akụkụ ahụ mmadụ. Isi, stomach, afọ, tongue, ire, teeth, eze, eyes, ụkwụ, anya.
Eyebrows and fine.
Eyes, anya.
Eyebrow, ụkwụ, anya. hand aka, finger nkesi aka.
Okay. Mana, you want to try it?
So nkesi uku.
So okay, it's okay. So learn it very well. Ndiabo akoko ahumad. Learn this very well. Ndiabo akoko ahumad. Say it again.
Ndiabo akoko ahumad.
Ndiabo akoko ahumad.
Ndiabo akoko ahumad.
It simply means these are parts of the body. These are parts of the body. That's the meaning. Ndiabo akoko ahumad. Anyone in there outside there? Who raised up your hand? Did you raise up your hand? Who raised up? Did you raise up your hand?
In second class, I got at the school while we went to see.
Oh yeah, stand up. Bido, Ndiabo akoko ahumad.
Ndiabo akoko ahumad. Head, isi, eye, anya, nose, hand, aka, leg, uku, finger, nkesi aka. Toe, nkesi uku. Ear, ntị.
This is what I want. Akụkụ ahụ mmadụ. Once I say akụkụ ahụ mmadụ, you say ndị a bụ akụkụ ahụ mmadụ. Ngwa akụkụ ahụ mmadụ.
Ndị a bụ akụkụ ahụ mmadụ. Finger, aka, hand, aka, finger, nkesi aka, thumb aka, teeth, eze, mouth, ọnụ.
Don't know hair. Hair. That one is hair. Ntutu. Our head. Isi. Head. Isi. Hair. Ntutu. Have you said mouth? Okay. I want somebody to now, akụkụ ahụ mmadụ. Ndị a bụ akụkụ ahụ mmadụ. Eyes.
Mouth. Ọnụ. Teeth. Eze. Tongue. Ire. Andaka.
One more than five. No more.
Yes, it's not done.
What one you have?
Clap for her. You that you will not talk, you will not clap.
Akụkụ ahụ mmadụ kwụrụ ọtọ ndị a bụ asị m kwụrụ ọtọ means stand up. Ngwa akụkụ ahụ mmadụ. I said akụkụ ahụ mmadụ. Say ndị a bụ akụkụ ahụ mmadụ. This says ask you to repeat akụkụ ahụ mmadụ. I say you start your own. Ndị a bụ akụkụ ahụ mmadụ. Now akụkụ ahụ mmadụ. Good. Back, azul, Good. Good. Wow. Good. Ọkọ na-akwụ nwanne m.
Ụmụ akwụkwọ
Ọkọ na-akwụ nwanne m na ahara anaghị ekwe go gbakọrọ na ya. Wonderful well. Ahara anaghị ekwe gị o si ụmụ ọkara mmadụ ndị nwa eji nwa na ga-enyere anyị. Anyị chọrọ enyemaka. Akụkụ ahụ.
It's Monday. It's Sunday.
I like that word. I can try. I stand up. Now,
Very brilliant. They know. Who is that one? They are smart. They just can't body part for the book.
Wow. Are you all alcoholic?
This thing that is red thing is not common.
All you do.
I do.
So when I say akukwa not tell me ndiabo akukwa in answer. I'm still coming back from akukwa but now eri meri. So but what we are going to call it is what we know ndiabo ndiabo unochakwo ya ndị a bụ nri ndị Igbo. 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 Now, look at me how I'm going to say it. Are you listening? Ndị a bụ nri ndị Igbo. Ji, osikapa, akpụ. Is there in your book, isn't it? Those Igbo food. Have you? We didn't do Igbo food. Those Igbo food.
I didn't color everything.
We are not coloring you. We are still mentioning. You can see it. Achicha, abacha. You know them?
Yes.
Achicha, abacha.
53.
Osikapa, ji, akpụ, jioko. Ụtara na ofe. Ọkpa, moi moi, agwa, fio. You know them? Akwa, azụ, anụ. So now, I want you, when you stand up, you tell me 5 or more than 5 that you know. And you start it like this. Ndị a bụ nri ndị Igbo. You mention any 5 you know. Ndị a bụ nri ndị Igbo. Ndị a bụ nri ndị Igbo. Or you say it like that. Ndị a bụ nri ndị Igbo. Ọzọ, ndị a bụ nri ndị Igbo. Ọzọ, ndị a bụ nri ndị Igbo. Or who can say it? Mention the food. Okay? Ndị a bụ nri ndị Igbo. Salada. No. Meat, ọnụkwa. We are not talking about akụkọ ahụ mmadụ. Nri ndị Igbo. Nri is food. Igbo food. Okay. No, you put your.
Akara.
Mm-hmm.
Achicha.
Mm-hmm.
Abacha.
Good.
Azu. Opa. Moi moi. Abacha.
Abacha. Okay, Okuchukwu, nri ndị Igbo. Or just say nri ndị Igbo. Start. Wow, your voice is not out. Bido n'isi nri Igbo. Nri ndị Igbo. Ngwa, bido. Achịcha. Fio, eh? Oh, no, you're not speaking well at all. So you know it and you cannot speak loud. Okay. Ngwa kọrọ na ya ka kọrọ ha aka kọrọ ha abụọ aka. Kedu onye ọzọ ga-agụpụtara anyị nri ndị Igbo? Oziọma nri ndị Igbo. Oziọma nri ndị Igbo. Nri ndị Igbo. Mmachi nri ndị Igbo, you know it.
And
Olisa, you don't know nri ndị Igbo too? You know ya? Count three, four. Say nri ndị Igbo, you start. Wait. Oh yeah, Olisa, pull out, stand up. Oh yeah, if you don't start. Start nri ndị Igbo. It's not about food. You are not supposed to look into your food. Nri ndị Igbo. Who else? Yes, Ozioma. Nri ndị Igbo.
Fish, azu, meat, and
Moi. It's not must you mention them in English. Just say their names in Igbo. Nri ndị Igbo. Osikapa, akpụ, abacha, agwa, akwa.
aqua. Aqua.
Aqua, not aqua.
I'm saying egg.
Aqua is aqua. When you say aqua is frozen. Aqua is egg.
Okay.
Okay.
Fia.
It's like you people have forgotten it. Oh, yeah, open your book on page.
I'm learning to speak actually. I mean,
Page 53, everybody. We don't know.
and I've already passed it.
Page 53.
Page 52.
Yeah. Where is
I'm
the
ready
book?
there.
Abacha.
Don't worry.
Abacha.
Oh, yeah, are you there?
Yeah.
Huh? It's with who? Who with your father? Oh, yeah, go and bring it. Go and bring it. Okay. Now, nri ndị Igbo. Nri ndị Igbo. Nri ndị achịcha, bread. Abacha. Oh, yeah, now. I say you should repeat after me. Achịcha, bread. Abacha.
abacha,
rice, osikapa,
rice, osikapa,
plantain, jioko,
plantain, yoko,
swallow and soup, ụtara na ofe, swallow and soup, ụtara na ofe, yam, ji, yam, ji, drink, mmiri, drink, mmiri, beans, agwa, beans, agwa, ọkpa, 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 fịọ, 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 akwa, egg, akwa, egg, akwa, akara, 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 fish, azụ, meat, anụ, fish, azụ, meat, anụ, fish, azụ, meat, anụ, bread, achịcha, abacha, abacha, rice, osikapa, cereal, nri ọka, cereal, nri ọka, plantain, jioko, plantain, jioko, swallow and soup, ụtara na ofe, swallow and soup, ụtara na ofe, yam, ji, yam, ji, cassava, ji akpụ, cassava, ji akpụ, drink, mmanya, drink, mmanya, water, mmiri, water, mmiri, beans, agwa, beans, agwa, moi moi, moi moi, ọkpa, ọkpa, fịọ fịọ, fịọ fịọ, fịọ fịọ, fịọ fịọ, egg, akwa, egg, akwa, akara, akara, fish, azụ, meat, anụ, meat, anụ. Now, can somebody tell me nri ndị Igbo? Nri ndị Igbo, bread, achịcha, rice, osikapa, agwa, not everything, the one you can remember. Beans, agwa, water, mmiri, drink, mmanya, ọkpa, ọkpa, fịọ fịọ, fịọ fịọ, moi moi, moi moi, plantain, ojoko. My dad, who can do it? You just start with nri ndị Igbo. Start. Nri ndị Igbo. Start. My dad. Okay, Ejima. Okay, let's do it 2-2. Ejima and Emachi. Oh, yeah, two of you. No, because people cannot mention the same thing. Do you understand? They can mix it. So, Ejima, Emachi, you have answered before. Let's Ejima answer. Ejima has not answered it. And after Ejima, you now answer. Okay, Nri ndị Igbo. You start like that. Okay. Abacha. Abacha. somebody that will not stop. You just be doing it, will not stop. Let's match it. After match you. Okay, Rindy, stop like that. Get something. I say again. No, you don't. Rindy. No, start Rindy like that. Aqua. Azul. Me. Anu. My. Fear. Idelanya na akwụkwọ. Elelanya na mechie akwụkwọ ahụ. Mechie ya. Close the book. I don't want to see any book open. Close them. Mechie akwụkwọ. Okay, Okwuchukwu. Nri ndị Igbo. Darụ darụ nwanne m. Ngwanyala. Nri ndị Igbo. Start like that. Before look, if you do not want to open your mouth, I'll point another person. Drink manya. So nobody is remembering rice, oskapa, yam, G,
Mama just said the yam. Mama just said the G.
G, oh yeah. Ugonna ya, nri ndị Igbo, ngwa. I said nri ndị Igbo. And I said it, you must start it like that. Nri ndị Igbo. So that let's know what you want to mention. You cannot just stand up and start calling names of food. That's letting them to know what you want to mention. So that's why you must start nri ndị Igbo. Then you start. And I should not be reminding you that. Oh yeah. Good. G is good. When you don't say yam, you just say G. Is it G? Or you come to? Azul. How can I open one now? Telling you, why are you present name as Apple? You have to present. This is what people are going to present to me as like this. You go there and be saying, as if I did not touch it. Go there and be saying, yeah. Then I thought it. What the? Yeah, I know. You're not doing well. Honestly,
Maybe I'm going to.
You're not doing well.
I'm going to speak.
I've not even seen anybody that did well in this in Rindibo. In Rindibo, I've not seen anybody that did well in Rindibo. It's only Akakwa man that I have. Is it Rindibo? I've not seen it. Okay, no, yeah. Let me know whether you mean it. Oh yeah, Rindibo. 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 Miri, Miri, I thought you were Miri. Miri is what?
Enjoy yourself.
Boy said Miri, Miri. Is it matching? You see, I have not seen anybody that made me proud to be Miri.
Melissa Debe. Mimi, have you read yours? Have you answered? And your pins?
Yeah, I'm on.
No, I said G.
On. On meat. Oh, Anu.
You not China. You not China.
Anu is meat, not Onu. Anu is meat. I'm going to be Onu to be better now.
Hey.
Okay, let me try you. Everybody, open your book now. Start learning it.
So,
Start learning it. You don't know it. And until you get it, you move to another thing. Oh yeah, let me hear you. Read the Igbo.
Akara, Opa, Fio. Water, Mimi, Agua, Egg, Aqua,
Don't look into it. Don't look.
Plantain, Gyoko, Cassava, Giappa,
Giapo.
Giapo,
Yes.
Moi.
Of someone will be proud of you. This is the only girl. This is the only person that I tried for me. God, I beg you, I've been trying. Only this girl. Hey, others, what have I done to you people? What have I done? I've been shouting here. God is my witness. Why are you behaving like this? Ugonna, I'm getting disappointed. What is happening? Can you try it this time? They will know. This one, they are reserved. Listen, they will know. They will not talk until you force them. They will stand up. They will know. They will not know when I'm coming to them. They will know. They will know. Oh yeah, let me hear from you again. Ugonna, yeah. Rindi Igbo. Rindi Igbo. Fear.
Water,
Yam, G, not G. Yam, G. Aqua is what? Egg. You have mentioned it before. You meant small. Continue learning. You meant small. Continue learning. Do you understand? Learn more. I want you to learn more. Wait. No, it's not on. No. Start it with A. Do you understand? Start it with A. No. Don't start it with O, but A. Do you understand? If you do not speak out, if I look away like this, you just close your mouth. If you start and I see, I will just look like this, look at it, then close your mouth and sit down. Now stand up. Okay, Rindi Igbo. Anu
fish.
Anu. No, Anu is not fish.
Fish. Aqua. Moi.
Aqua is what?
Egg. Moi. Fio.
I gave you 80%. Remaining 20%. That is you tried. But remaining 20%, I gave you 80. You 82. Remaining 20%, both of you. Oh yeah, start reading, learning. And you don't, I gave you 70%. Start learning. Okudo. Yeah, Ejima. Wait. Olisa. Oh yeah, Mba. Rindi Igbo. Close your book and mention them. Plot means stand up, okay? Good. Okay. Bacha. Okay, on. Wow, you tried. Very, very. I gave you 90%. Do you know why I gave you 90%? Because you are still thinking. Abacha. Right. 90%. Someone will not think this. Ejima, achọrọ m ejima biko nụ ejima na-eme obi ụtọ. Ha na-amacha ihe n'ọrụ. When you not ask them.
I don't know something like keep quiet.
Ejima, nri ndị Igbo. Nri ndị Igbo, oya bido nri ndị Igbo like that. I don't know from kitchen down to. Oya, nri ndị Igbo. Speak out to. Nri ndị Igbo, say nri ndị Igbo, you know that. Okay. I'm not. Okay. Yeah. Fish, azu. You try. I'm giving you 90% because you're not fast. You are still thinking it. Ejima, Mindy,
yeah.
Bread is achicha, you know. Then abacha. Bread, achicha. Yeah?
Bread, achicha, abacha.
Fio. Osikapa. Okay, I gave you 80%. Try.
What do you mean?
Okay. We'll come back to it. So that I will not say in one thing. Okay, I want us to sing now. I want us to sing to our father, to our mother, to our brother, to our sister. Now, let's sing now. Okay, 1, 2, otu, abo, ato, bido. Ezinam, kedu kimere, adimumadalu, kedu kimere. Now, when you say Ezinam, after Ezinam, you sing Ezinem. After Ezinem, one name walking. After one name walking, one name walking. Yeah, that's what I see. You're going to do it alone. Yeah. Otu, abo, bido.
Ezinam, kedu, Ezinam, kedu, Ezinam, kedu, kimere, adimumadalu,
nwoke nwanne m nwoke
kedu nwanne m nwoke kedu nwanne m nwoke kedu kedu ka ị mere adịghị mma daalụ adịghị mma daalụ adịghị mma daalụ kedu ka ị mere adịghị mma
nwanne m nwanyị
nwanyị kedu nwanne m nwanyị kedu nwanne m nwanyị kedu kedu ka ị mere adị m mma daalụ adị m mma daalụ adị m mma daalụ kedu ka ị mere.
Who can sing four of them? Four. The first one is Ezinna Kedu. The second one Ezinne. The third one Nwanne m nwoke Kedu. The fourth one Nwanne m nwanyị Kedu. Who can sing four of them? Oh yeah. Stand up. Stand up. Two of you. No mistake, no stopping. Otu, abụọ, bido.
Ezinna kedu Ezinna kedu Ezinna kedu kedu ka ị mere adị m mma daalụ adị m mma daalụ adị m mma daalụ kedu ka ị mere
No, without that.
You are boy.
After Ezinna, the next one Ezinne. So what are you saying? Thank you. Okay, we are going to sing it together every time. I will not talk. Everybody will sing it together. If I see you, you join them. Follow them. If I see you not opening your mouth, you sing it alone. So it's better, if you don't know it, better open your mouth and join them. And make it one. You do a joint work and make it one. Okay, now start. Otu, abo, ato, bido.
Down.
Otu, abụọ, atọ, bido.
Ezinna kedu Ezinna kedu Ezinna kedu kedu ka ị mere adị m mma daalụ adị
anyị ga-eme bụ mkpụrụ osisi dị iche iche. Mkpụrụ osisi dị iche iche. Ya in your book. Na mo ya na-akpọ fruits. Mkpụrụ osisi dị iche iche. Mpeji abụọ ketere. Mkpụrụ osisi dị iche iche. Ọ na-emepe akwụkwọ gị. Page 32. Nkeji abụọ ka anyị na-ego kwuchukwu. Hapụ m aka. Defend you.
I'm in 32 or 2.
Page 32. Are we there?
Yes. No, it's not. I'm page 30. I'm in page 32.
32. So you see osisi dị iche iche. You see orange.
Oroma.
Orange.
Oroma.
Strawberry.
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 Mango.
Ugiri bekee.
Ugiri bekee. Mango.
Ugiri bekee.
Mango.
Ugiri bekee.
Lime.
Oroma nkirisi.
Lime.
Oroma nkirisi.
Lemon.
Oroma ilu.
Lemon.
Oroma ilu.
Garden egg. Anyara. Garden egg.
Anyara.
Garden egg.
Anyara.
Coconut. Aki bekee. Coconut.
Aki bekee.
Coconut.
Aki bekee.
Igbo pear.
Ube.
Igbo pear.
Ube.
Igbo pear.
Ube.
Avocado.
Ube bekee.
Avocado.
Ube bekee.
Banana.
Unere.
Banana.
Unere.
Banana.
Unere.
Banana.
Unere.
Cucumber. Anyonda. Cucumber. Anyonda. Cucumber.
Anyuda.
Anyonda.
Anyuda.
Anyonda.
Anyuda.
Anyonda.
Anyuda.
Cucumber.
Anyuda.
Cucumber.
Anyuda.
Cashew. Popo. Cashew.
Popo.
Cashew.
Popo.
Igbo cherry.
Udara.
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 Igbo cherry.
Udara.
Igbo cherry.
Udara.
Carrot.
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 Pineapple. Akworu. Pineapple.
Apple.
Akworu.
Apple.
Akworu.
Apple.
Pineapple.
Apple.
Pineapple.
Apple.
Apple. Achịcha bekee. Apple.
Achịcha bekee.
Apple.
Achịcha bekee.
Tomato. Otuboala. Tomato.
Otuboala.
Tomato. Otuboala. Tomato.
Otuboala.
Tomato.
Otuboala.
Orange.
Oroma.
Orange.
Oroma.
Watermelon.
Anyị mmiri.
Watermelon.
Anyị mmiri.
Strawberry.
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 What is it you are doing? If I get annoyed with you, I'll just send you. If I get annoyed with you, if you go there, don't come back. I'll just send you out and I mean. Strawberry.
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 Mango.
Mango.
Ugiri bekee. Mango.
Ugiri bekee.
Mango.
Ugiri bekee.
Mango.
Ugiri bekee.
Lime.
Oroma nkirisi.
Lime.
Oroma nkirisi.
Oroma nkirisi.
Oroma nkirisi.
Oroma nkirisi.
Oroma nkirisi.
Lime.
Oroma ilu.
No. Lime.
Oroma nkirisi.
Lemon.
Oroma ilu.
lemon.
Oroma ilu.
Garden egg.
Anyara.
Añara. Garden egg.
Anyara.
Coconut.
Aki bekee.
Coconut.
Aki bekee.
Igbo pear.
Ube.
Igbo pear.
Ube.
Avocado.
Ube bekee.
Avocado.
Ube bekee.
Banana. Unere. Banana.
Unere.
Cucumber. Anyunda. Cucumber.
Anyuda.
Cucumber.
Anyuda.
Cashew. Okoko. Cashew.
Okoko.
Cashew.
Okoko.
Igbo cherry. Udara. Igbo cherry.
Udara.
Igbo cherry.
Udara.
Carrot.
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 Pineapple. Apple. Pineapple.
Aqualu.
Pineapple.
Aqualu.
Pineapple.
Aqualu.
Apple. Achịcha bekee. Apple.
Achịcha bekee.
Apple.
Achịcha bekee.
Tomato. Otuboala. Tomato.
Otuboala.
Tomato.
Otuboala.
Okay. I want someone just to mention 5. You say mkpụrụ osisi, you start. Let's cut it. Mkpụrụ osisi, you start. Who can do it? 5.
Ah! Oh, my
You
God.
didn't do it, you not go and ease yourself. You do it and go and ease yourself. Okay. You raise up your hand.
I'm also raise up her hand.
You also raise up your hand.
She was just there.
Guys, what's this thing? Okay, what's your man? Good.
Apple, achịcha bekee, tomato, otuboala,
You see these two? You see these two?
cherry, udara, orange, oroma, lemon, oroma ilu,
Good.
watermelon, onion mmiri,
Onion.
banana, unere,
Oh.
Igbo cherry, ube,
No, Igbo cherry is Igbo. Igbo cherry is Udara. Igbo cherry is Udara. Ube is Igbo pear.
Igbo pear, ube.
You have tried. You did very well. Try on me. Okay, are you the second place?
From I.
Okay, after her.
No, she went up her hand before you.
Okay, no, close the book. Mkpụrụ osisi, oya. Good.
Banana.
Unere. Banana, unere. Okay.
Lime.
Okay, huh? Huh? Right, so what do you think? Okay, can you say it like this? Mkpụrụ osisi, ube, unere, udara. Forget the English name. You mentioned it. Okay, now start. Mkpụrụ osisi.
Ube.
Ube, not ube. Ube is arrow. They used to shoot somebody. That is ube. For this one, ube. Mention, just mention them. Forget about the English name, just mention the Igbo one. Who again can do it? The other one, the one. Oh, yeah. Sisi. Who can do it without thinking? Are you sure I can do it? Mkpụrụ osisi. Anyụ mmiri. Can you mention only the Igbo names? Okay, mkpụrụ osisi. Start it like that. Mkpụrụ osisi. Still thinking them. Yeah, think cannot fast. Open your book and tell them there. Open to go. Mkpụrụ osisi. Hey, stop there. You know that you are there. Are you the market? Okay. So mkpụrụ osisi. Who again can mention only the Igbo names? Only the Igbo names. Only the Igbo names. I have to be fast. Like go to. Oh yeah, mkpụrụ osisi like that. Mkpụrụ osisi. Close your book. Angara. Mmiri is nri ndị Igbo. It's among nri, not mkpụrụ osisi. Can you see? Okay. I think let them do coloring. Okay. Who does it?
Who's pushing that chair?
Mama. It's not by force. No, not by force, actually. I'm working hard on my
Why are you writing like that?
I'm not doing the food. I'm not doing the food.
They have to call you.
Is it my writing book?
Yes. Why are you done with the habitude. As they are calling the name of those things. What aren't you? We use they will get it better than that. We mention the names. No, we use it. No, they will not be catching. They will catch it only them. Names of names of objects that we did yesterday, although we have not done revision on time. We can make like Igbo peer.
Write your letters. Are you writing? Is that how you write your alphabet in school? Everything. Pichaya.
I found out that
People are following plates. How many plates?
even parts of the body, if you go the book and mention the English, they know the
When next you're writing alphabet, don't write.
which one do you want to
Are you hearing me?
Okay?
Well, that's what they do.
No, no, hold this at the bench. Hang on there. Ozioma, now who called it?
Why? Let me see this. Finish this one. Let me see.
Giving us time.
Mama, shut up.
I'm going to watch it. Wait, you could not finish it. Oh, you're going to from here.
You color, you want to color, right?
Two of you, people are two, and here, people did not finish. Why?
Because we did this together.
Finish
Because you are doing it together, you are supposed to be faster. You're supposed to do more than other.
It's my color. This is color.
Oh, yeah. Knock it down, knock it down.
Be on time, leave that folder and focus on your work.
This is your name.
You don't have kacha. See, you don't finish. Today's day.
No using Stargate color. Hey, this is for Stargate. This is for her.
You know one. Oh, it's getting cake. Get out of phone. You didn't finish the alphabet. Color you want. You don't know this. What is your color? You didn't finish.
That color inside.
When
So
did
when
you
you
pour
are
it?
done with it, you color it. Huh?
I can't find my. That's not all of it. I put everything. But I can't find my.
Oh, what?
It's here.
Where do you keep your
Leave my color.
Where do you keep your check that one? See your color there.
Where do you want to take this one?
Color, you're asking her by the way, why do you want to take this one?
I don't
Both of you start coloring. Who is the Kachawa? Kachawanu. Kachawanu. Eh? What one person can do, two people come join together, can do it more than them. But the two of you are just being slow. Why? Yeah. I don't know what else you want us to tell you that will make you behave. And she wants to go RBG. Go RBG. And people treating ABC. Who wants to start writing first? Why the other person color? The coloring. Don't put it in the coloring. Okay. Do you have it? Which one are you doing? This one. You're being free. You're being free. You just have to tell me you just do it.
No, I don't want to color too. No color.
Ojema, are you done right?
Yes. Color now. I'm actually going to copy the one. I use my color black. Thank you. and I've already passed mango. Which type of I mean, which is on already in what do you call it? Lemon, I'm already in lemon. We'll put it back in my let me cut. Oh.
Machi, and then you remember. You shall again.
Let's put it in.
I make you one you will be better. I find that I need to be better.
I want my you color this and you color this. You color two of them. Right? Yeah, Mandy, can you just stop talking? Then you are. Or you can. Yeah, that's what I'll tell you. And the teacher will tell my teacher that they gave. Yeah, that they expel. Teacher will expel. 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 Until we, until they are told me no. Yes, until they look out to me and no! Don't do that! No, not here. Why did you do that to me? And why did you do that to me? Do it to my brother. You see the way your hand is long. It just needs the shade of yellow. Yellow. Just a little shade yellow and a coconut and a shade of black white. Which is made out of white and you need shade of purple. That's what you make black. They add the white. Which one is my young activity? This or this? Your whole complete color is here. Okay, those ones that are holding there for you. No, actually, this one is this one is from here. Actually, these are from me. Then this one is for wait. I need red. I need red. Red. Thick. Thank you. Blue purple. I need red because I don't use this purplish thing. What is this? No, you need that. Don't know. You need skin color with this color. Purple. Skin color. Shade of purple. Shade of purple. Please give me some skin color. Give me that. Because I didn't color the neck. Okay, pink. Now skin color on it. Doesn't sound like brown, no? You don't really want to press this.
Where's the pencil?
It's my pencil. Wait, that's not pencil. Maybe alright, so just please.
Did you draw?
Is this yours? You're putting all your colors. No, you. I don't think you get here. And you must you're putting all on the ground.
You know these are right?
Oh, we don't know.
You know that. When you are going to
Yes.
very. So that's why we use the video.
right?
Yeah, but it is because I didn't do them, so that's why I'm doing it.
Just leave that one. I hope you can do that one.
Yeah, but my auntie will not let me actually. Why? Because she doesn't want, because she wants to know what I did.
Brown, green, yellow, brown, green, yellow. Brown, green, and yellow. Brown, green, yellow. Brown, green, and yellow. Brown, green, and yellow. Brown, green, and yellow. Completed.
Your mom wants to.
What?
Elizabeth,
Oh.
are you done? Where are you?
That's it.
Crap. What about my own? What about mine? Wow. So how about mine? How about mine? Mama, see, it's
Oh, you are done with your comment.
a bit so good. My own is so good too. Your own is good. But you have to try your best to do beautiful handwriting. Okay, Mama.
It's not ABCD. You let complete right from.
Matthew, copy my own now. Why not?
She will close it. It's not there. It's not for my.
I've got this, but this
How
is.
many did you collect?
Wait.
One.
So,
Like,
like, give me this time. Thank you.
You color this.
I forgot this.
You color this. Okay, you color this and that.
Now I need blue.
Okay, can you coloring this one? You know what I'm saying? You're fine. Just give me this. Yeah.
Mom, this is a very big mistake.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, that one. Remind me of that.
No, but cucumber is supposed to be like that.
So that they can allow her to enter. Once she entered the first day, second day,
Yes,
typically they will not have it.
Then you now,
They just have first
then you now remove the flowers like that. That is how cucumber used to be when you have it time. No.
Wait, I know what you need. You need brown and black. Brown and black. Brown. Stop coloring the brown. Brown and black. I don't want to do this one. Wait, so this up. I want to do the one next. Wait. Then on top of that, brown. How to do nothing.
Oh, man, this I do like this. I do like this.
Yeah, pink. I mean, pop, 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 pop. I don't keep them yet. Skin color versus white makes green. Making your skin. I kept the colors on top of the table so that anytime you need it, you just pick it up. A little shade of blue, white, and green.
If somebody also put down like that, my mom keep it up, so it's not possible.
I know which one is on you and I know which one is on because my sister don't.
Why?
Because my sister goes, she used this longer than mine. I don't know which one is like
Hey.
and I don't know which one is like
Now I need skin color. I need skin color. And where?
color.
Will you give me the skin?
Yellow is skin color. Yellow is skin color. Brown is skin color. Black is skin color.
Brown is color. Yeah, brown is also skin color. Some people are born brown actually.
Yeah, some people.
Like
You. I won't say.
You must be so.
White
said.
Yeah, tiny.
Yeah, what do you want to kill like? Why did they kill like this?
It's on your phone.
Because of
Every time I always come out from my house. Every time I always come out from my house and I always crawl on the floor without any slippers and I just on my hand with my dad.
that has been handled with for coffee.
Ooh, I want to color.
You want to color?
No one yet ready
You
color.
already color. What to finish coloring?
Is it? Are you the chairman of coloring? Are you the chairman of coloring?
She about to cry now. After I don't think she about to cry. Danger, 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 danger.
Yeah, I think it's because my sister is crying.
Are you writing or you are discussing?
Yes,
Na na-edenye ka ọ na-agba nkata.
Okay, I'll stop on
Itasigo mkpụrụ edemede gị. Are you done writing?
yes, my math is also done writing alphabet. I need red. And I need a shade of pink.
shade of pink. Then you really shade. Then just do it a little bit.
This one looks like pink now. Like pink stuff. Now I need a lot of red now.
A lot of red.
Yeah.
You don't need to do it out like that way. Shade of red. After shade of red, still do shade of red.
Ego nna ya. You write here.
Okay, I'm done saving. Now I'm done saving. Now what to do? How about this? What about this now? Doesn't look like this, huh?
Shade of red.
And shade
change of what? No, no, it's
Darko.
I add your wife. Actually, for the gun. I didn't even know that it comes.
Ozioma. Ozioma. This way.
Now let me add the last of white. Here, black white. Add it to the Now I'm making the teeth like this. Look, I'm making the teeth like this now. A little change of what on the tongue. Now I need red. I like red. What's the red? What's it? Or I can borrow your red. Thank you. You can borrow this red. What is red? I do not even see it at all.
And what is this? I did mine. Let's go to the main person.
Very much.
Ozioma. Don't you think?
I'll do it for feet. Wait, who's here? This is for your sister. This red is for you.
I don't know about sister. You guys should be fast. You practice your game now, but you got to. So if you win the two.
Yes, I'm going to win for sure.
So be on time.
Wait, no, wait. I'll just tell you the really big red.
So we started what are you doing? Huh? You are writing?
Coloring.
Okay.
Okay. I'm done with the book. And you don't color the rest too. Because I'm going to color the rest. She's coloring. She's opening. No, I said don't color it. Just okay, we'll color one. Color different. Color different. Let's just start coloring from the one that I left. Then I'll color the part of the body. Let's start coloring then this one. And tomorrow we will do the rest. Also remain one and the sister remain. Alright. Mikey, take care of the key.
Onye nkuzi achọrọ m ịnụ naanị onye nkuzi achọrọ m ịnụ naanị
Come and give your sister color. So you come and color me. I'm ready. I need to out of it. washing and you see baby. Take your sister color. You don't need it. Eh? What did you say? I want it. Okay. Then you use that right there. Six, I made that sharp.
I mean, a teacher. I need a teacher. I need bread and milk.
Who is done?
I.
Imesigo.
Yes. Eh?
No, George.
Pack up.
Sit down.
But why you color it after the line? Don't know.
Using white.
To make a better color than those other colors. That's better. It changes the color of the color. See? Color change. Color white. That was the difference. The color is white. You just make it color is white. White is the color.
It's not made out of it. They're just made
So,
of
Friday, color.
See?
Today is
Today.
Tomorrow is Saturday. Today
Wait,
is Friday.
See?
Friday.
Tomorrow is Saturday. Today is Friday. What are you writing?
Saturday is the 21st of and Sunday, 1st of June, 1st of August. Okay, Matthew, do it here. Okay. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
You said we are not done.
Oh, sorry, Matthew. Now this like it. Now use that cream for the meat. It should stop something like that. She can't travel because she wants to be on the that's why she's
Oh, your book.
now color the stick. Brown. That's how it's good.
Phone number there. Imagine how you mean.
Everything has like
Are
it.
you
My
done?
husband is more. One is more better, one is more better.
You can write this here.
No,
Like this.
what I do.
Thank you for first. Thank you. Use your color. What are your colors?
This is for me.
Turkey first.
This is for me. Not like that. Not like that. Not like that. That's nasty. Oh, I want you. First.
Came out first, right? But she's still not by who came out first.
I came out first.
You came out first. And she was not as kind for me. Oh, it's you. It's you, right?
I'm not a baby.
You're explaining it to me. You too. You're explaining it. You're explaining it. You don't really talk about it. If you're
I'm showing you how.
and you are first, you are not Ejima. Igbo Ejima. If you want to say your look at me. Oh, Ejima. You don't tap me. Give me a phone. Give me a phone. Give me back. It's Emmanuel. What is my name? Give me back. Abraham William no name. Abraham Miss Choma. Mizu. Not Chima. You are doing something. Onye kuzi onye. Onye kuzi. Mba.
Onye kuzi.
Alego. Onye kuzi onye kama. Ụlọ Chioma. Gịnị bụ aha? Gịnị bụ aha? Gịnị bụ aha? What's her name? Mmachi Yadi na Tony.
Chimachi. Oh, I need like Chimachi.
It's Chidinma. She is Mmachi.
Chidinma. Machi. Technology.
Anybody can talk. Okay, mechie nụ akwụkwọ unu. Udochukwu ozugbo. Mechie nụ akwụkwọ unu. Gịnị ka ị chọrọ ime?
That's what my teacher taught me. Yes, how did you know? Because they also taught me.
Hola. Gịnị bụ ise? Ise bụ gịnị? He said, ọnụ ọgụgụ gịnị bụ ise? Ọnụ ọgụgụ
Okay,
or
I'm
one
going
or two, gịnị bụ ise?
I can go to that page. I can go.
Yeah. Oh, you can hear you. You understand what I'm saying?
So that's like
Right. So then he said, write 5. Write it on line. So that there will go down. The people sit down. This group and this group. Okay? So, oh yeah. Unu bịa ebe a. Bịa nọdụ n'ọdụ. Nọdụ n'ọdụ. Ihe a ga-eme na akwụ ịgwago oriakụ Agada. Bịa na. Bịa this one. There. 6, 5, 6, 5. What are you doing?
I'm not packing now. Why did you make the inside black? Yeah, it's not very pink. Don't you think it's kind of black? No, it's not. So why did you do black? It was black here. Then don't do that at all. Just leave it. Leave it alone. I can do what I want. I need to find my baby. What? Then how will you if you think that I remind you? Well, you don't too. But I don't know this I know.
Are you ready for treasure hunt?
Where should you Actually, I don't have any wrapper.
Then you work with that.
I'll get this yet or a single and I'll now cut and I'll now bowl and I'll yes and I will now wear sandals and slippers. Like how Igbo women used to do. I'll just be barefoot.
I used to choose. You got what you want. After that, you don't want to be. Those don't want to be out. You teleport
I need a poo, I need a
wear
poo.
your slippers. After you know that kitchen, wow.
Mossy so.
I need Actually,
You know what treasure hunt? Treasure hunt is if someone hides.
Yeah, I know a treasure hunt.
Mom.
You know
Where are they going? Somebody is there.
Actually,
Who is there?
ya nọ gị ebe a.
Go right, so Gakacha, Gade,
Prince Will.
Olisa Debe. When I ask you a question, you're going to ask me. Okay? So now I want you to start going through that book.
I need the icon.
Okay?
It's on 8.
Oh,
I want
go
to start
on.
with Easter.
Go call King.
Oh. Joy on your face.
I didn't
Olisa Debe. Olisa Debe.
Go and say hi to where is it Chidinma?
Onye nkuzi ka emesịa. Emesịa. Ike sikoro n'ime Igbo. Ị ga-akpọ m ga-ahụ gị next week. Ga-ahụ gị next week. See your food in the pocket. Okay. Then we got doing one in
Yeah. Rachel Kitchen.
Oh, God,
You do it for
Jesus.
Don't call your brother.
Come on, see. Look at it. This is a
Prince
high.
Will, are you guys? Come on, Hannah. Okay. Parents are just there.
So, so they're going to beat treasure hunt.
Treasure.
Yay, treasure hunt.
They're going to miss it because we have somewhere to go to.
Where?
Yeah, they're going back to where they live in the UK.
Home.
Yes.
What?
They have to go to
So
the
you're
airport.
going to the airport.
So where do you guys now used to stay?
How did you not
Here.
have your hair like
have a
why
house
did
here.
you not use why did you not use an airplane to come to Nigeria?
They use an aeroplane to come to Nigeria, then you take a car from the airport to your house. That's what happened.
Oh, you did
So, you have a house here,
Yeah,
and you have a house in that owner.
yeah.
Are you going there?
me.
Are you going back to that owner? And you're not coming here again?
We'll come. Nigeria is our home.
December now.
Yes, Nigeria is
No.
our home.
Me.
Tomorrow.
Meow come. Meow come on. I want this on July 2026. I'll come back on this week.
Okay. April next year.
I mean,
You are coming in the next 5 years.
December. No, you come again. Won't you guys come in
I'll
December?
come on August.
In August.
And when they are
The
coming
batch
on,
B.
when they are coming on December, please, are you going to visit them on that day?
No.
You'll be staying there, is it?
You want them to stay? They will stay.
I'll not be coming there again. This is only my last time.
Oh, that's quite
Coming to
sad.
work for summer Christmas.
Yes.
Yes,
Every
you should
summer.
come. Yes,
And we might be here every summer.
you come every summer actually.
Just to go
Not that you
next
just come on.
What
every
is
summer.
Summer.
day.
Hold up.
Some people have.
You're already hiding. Come on, say you're already hiding this week.
Let me
We have to add that on.
I hope the last one go see my
You're already hiding this week.
Are you put down Carolina? Right, team?
Yeah.
What's the name?
Yeah. And I'm going to be for where they hide it for this week.
Hide what?
For treasure hunt.
Who told you that you
I get the treasure.
on the window? On the window.
First thing that she
Keep
saw
it
one
on the
pumpkin.
window.
First thing that she saw one pumpkin. She said that
You pointed at me, right?
look at it. Wow. Look at that. I'm the first person going to get it.
No, like it's a purple rock.